Hey y'all, we're Josh and Rebecca Addair, and we are so proud to share our story with you. From being raised in a small coal mining town of Matewan, West Virginia, to moving to our dream home in East Tennessee.
When we first laid eyes on our 110-year-old farmhouse, our hearts were filled with nothing but pure joy. We knew right then that this place was going to be our sanctuary and a place for others to gather and experience true mountain hospitality.
We're true Appalachian folk who show our love with a good meal, laughter, a helping hand, and a prayer when needed. Our goal is to give you an authentic look into the Addair family and the wonderful craziness that is our blessed life.
So y'all come on in and make yourselves comfortable. We're glad to have you here, and we can't wait to share a little slice of mountain life with each of you. Welcome home, friends.
Hey y'all, so it is officially Porch Day. What that means is today is the day that we set our porch for the summer and the rest of the spring and the fall. Just going to do a really good deep clean and stage everything, and we're going to bring y'all with us. So hope you're excited. Here we go. So first thing we got to do is basically just strip everything off this porch and scrub it down. We'll do that now. Okay, this is nasty. I'm gonna show you. Now we're gonna scrub it. Also got to wipe down the furniture. It's covered in pollen. Okay, so a lot of you all were intrigued about the whole how I water my hanging ferns. I killed them always until I started doing this, and I'm telling you, it works. You're gonna swear I'm crazy, but you're gonna see. I took this trash can. It's bigger than my hanging pot, and this has got about 2 cups of Epsom salt in it. I stirred it up real good. Okay? And literally, I'm gonna take my hanging fern and I'm gonna drop it down in there, and then I maneuvered this pole down to the base, and I'm literally just gonna shove the entire thing underwater. She bubbling. Might be some buggies come out of there. You can use like a broomstick or what have you. And we wait for it to stop bubbling. Still going. Okay, it's been about, I don't know, 5 minutes. Been trying to keep the time. And it's slowing down. So once it's bubble stops completely. Okay, I think we're good. So, you can pull it right back up and hang it up. You're done.
If you would like to advertise your business during an episode of Addair's Farmhouse, feel free to email addairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
You're excited. Why are you so excited?
I don't know.
What are we doing right now?
We are going to garden the flowers.
We're going to garden the flowers. That's right. So we have our annuals picked out for all of our porch, and we're going to put them in pots. What's so... Charlie. He did, didn't he? Okay, so we are getting ready to plant our annuals. We have got some pots that we've not put on the porch yet. So I don't know if you all can tell by my hair and the wind chimes, but it's windy up here all the time. Right, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in order to be able to have pots on the porch, we have to put rocks in the pots. Yeah.
Guys, look at my gloves.
Look at her gloves. All right, come on up here. So the first thing that we're gonna do is the pots that we don't have rocks in, we're gonna do that. And then we've got to put soil in them, and then we'll start planting. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Who's excited?
Me.
You. All right. What was that? Do it dance again.
Charlie.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, no.
No, Charlie.
Freeze, Charlie, freeze.
No.
Okay.
Way back.
Okay, let's do it. So we try to be as low maintenance as possible with our plants on the porch. We like the proven winners, the Super Tunias and the Super Bells. Josh lets me know that these are what they call
And here are the purple pretty flowers.
pretty. Here comes it down. Josh has taught me that these will, you don't have to like deadhead them. You don't have to pull the dead off, that they'll just kind of follow, like off on their own. And they spread real easy, or on their own. Real pretty. And then we got a wide variety of light pink, dark pink, and then this super, super dark purple. So this pot and this pot here are our purple pots. I have a lantern and a stand over there that we got when Dad passed, and his favorite color for me to always wear as a kid was purple. He put me in purple forever. I mean, until, you know, forever. And anytime I wore purple, he always gave me the most comments. So I'm putting all of the purple over there. It's going to be the first thing that you see when you walk up on the porch. Oh, these things I've never planted before, but I just thought they were super, super pretty. They're Mexican heather, and they're full sun. So, yep, they're going to get lots of love over there on that end of the porch. So, yeah. All right, the first thing, hey, girlfriend. First thing we got to do is we got to put dirt in this, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
Did you know that that was Papa's favorite color on Mommy? Was purple?
No.
No. He liked you in purple, too.
But he would like me in that purple dress.
You know what? That might be why you wore that purple dress on Easter. It's pretty, huh? Do you want Mom to just pour it?
Yeah, I'm ready. This is fun.
That's fun. Let me help you. Let's just do it like this. Oh, whoopsie.
We can do that. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork does make the dream work. You are so right. Okay. Let's pause that for now, and let's just see.
And I'm gonna pat it.
No, don't pat it, baby, because we want it to be loose. So the first thing we're going to do is put this heather, Mexican heather in. It's going to go kind of towards the back.
Here you go, Mom.
And anytime you plant flowers, you always want to open up those roots. Just give them a little tease. That way they, you know, are ready to form new root patterns.
What are those purple things in that green thing?
What purple thing, baby? All right.
You already discarded.
Did I?
Yeah, but we're just...
All right, so that's in. So now we're gonna do this super petunia, and we're gonna put that in front of it. And this is, wait baby, wait, we got one more to put in there. And this is gonna spread. And it rained today, so these are nice and moist.
And I can give them a little water by that now. I don't think so.
Let's see. I got them all, I got rocks
Guys.
all in here.
Guys, look. They're free. Mom, look. Mom, look.
And I'm gonna take the shovel.
Mom, look.
What, baby?
They're free.
Oh, okay.
That's funny, huh?
Yeah. I'm just gonna fill these back up.
And we're gonna say, we're free. We're gonna say they're free. We're gonna pat, pat. Smooth it good. I said we're gonna smooth it nice and good.
Okay. So,
Where do they smooth those?
no, whoa, girl.
Girl.
Easy. So yeah, there's that. So this clay pot is also over there in front of that
Is it on me?
thing.
Is it on me?
So it's gonna have the heather and then the dark purple
Where do it? Kill it, Mom.
super petunias.
Mom, kill it.
What? It's a granddaddy longlegged. It ain't gonna hurt you.
Wait, our granddaddy longlegs say,
You think it ain't gonna hurt you?
hey, little daddy.
Okay. So that is the side of the porch where you come in at. It's all done. I do this thing called chaos gardening, where it's all chaos. It's not real clean while it's happening. I'm just kidding. I think there is a thing called chaos gardening, and this isn't it. Don't come at me, folks. I know that it's an actual thing. So yeah, these will all spread and spill over and be beautiful. So in a couple weeks, the vision will be fulfilled. Let's move these over there and then we'll swap the pots out. We've done a lot of different stuff. I think one year was probably one of my more favorites. We kind of went a little overboard, but it was when we first started buying hostas, and we knew that we could plant them like around the trees and like in different locations once that we got them, like, you know, off the porch or whatever. So we had this entire porch was nothing. There was hostas like at every turn. We had planters behind every chair, on every table, and it was all green. And like at night with the lights and those hostas and the candles, oh, it was just like, it was perfect. That was probably one of my favorite years. And then we got to transplant those into the yard, and those have served us well too. I worry I messed this one up through the rock placement. So when we do the update, if this one is dead, you'll know that you can't turn rocks upside down like long ways and then plant between them. Rookie mistake, right? Okay, so Josh is working on that other planter, but then we're done. So I'm gonna move these back over here, and then if he's not done with that, I don't want it.
I wanted to show you all the plants that Israel and Rebecca planted. They all look so pretty on the steps before we start moving them over into the actual porch.
So we are exhausted. It is on the edge of dark, and we're getting ready to show you
the finished results. And it started raining again. I don't know about this weather, but anyway, yeah, all the pots are planted. Everything looks so good. We didn't pressure wash. We scrubbed down the porch, scrubbed down all the furniture, put it all back. Rebecca staged everything, and we've got everything in the right places. So now you can see it.
If you have a business and are looking for an interesting way to advertise, email us at addairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
I left the hall light on in case you come back home. I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home? I've been sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord I strike cries